Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and I just met with a past customer and wanted to give you a quick tour of a really cool feature in this new Kitchen Crate Custom Bell Harbor Drive in Modesto. What I want to show you is kind of this cooktop area that we designed and then built for this customer. Kind of the anchor of this whole area is this apron front 6-burner gas cooktop. Really beautiful piece of equipment here, really meant for someone that enjoys cooking, kind of a culinary expert if you will. 6 burners, fully controllable with the gas levels and things like that, and just creates a really cool, really functional and good looking cooktop for this customer. And as you go above that, this mosaic creates a bit of a visual focal point right when you walk into the kitchen from across the way. So what we have here is we have a mosaic that's a mixture of glass tile, stone, and a couple other products, and it's framed with this stainless steel pencil liner, or cigarro they call it, which creates just like it pulls it together with the appliances. And then above, a wall mounted kind of a freestanding hood, and our cabinet builder designed this upper unit that kind of flanks the hood, and obviously glass doors that allow us to display the customer's stemware and things like that. Now down below, a really cool feature I want to show you. You definitely want to, in kitchen design, have your range-related cookware really close to your range. You don't want to be lugging around crock pots or pans or things like that. And so these drawers, which have an exceptionally strong glide on them, they sit right below this cooktop and create some great storage areas along with a soft close function. So once again, you're able to put all of your cookware related to your range right here in one location. Simply pick it up, put it on the range, and then you're cooking. So that's what I wanted to show you today. If you would like any more information on this project, start to follow us on kbCrate.com, or if you have any needs, give us a call, 888-995-7996. Thanks so much.